Are you okay?
Yes.
You don't look so good to me. What's wrong, Abby? Are you okay?
Yes.
You got a headache?
No. Yes.
Are you sleepy?
No.
You're not sleepy?
Can I take medicine?
I don't have medicine to give to you. What do you want medicine for?
Please choking. Please choking.
Please what?
Choking.
For choking?
Yes.
But you're not choking.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Does your mouth hurt or your throat hurts?
No, my mouth hurts.
Are you sleepy?
No.
You're warm.
No.
You are warm.
No.
I'm sorry you don't feel good.
No. I want a jacket.
You want a jacket?
Yes.
You're cold?
Yes.
But you're really warm.
No. Not.
Is that better?
No, a jacket.